So this is the Razer Ornata Chroma keyboard. It's my first Razer product, and I have to say I was jaded in the past because this thing is awesome. First, let's hear the keys. So nice and clicky. Also, the software it comes with is really intuitive and simple. I have no complaints really. The lighting features are very easy to use, and there's a lot of them. So playing around with the lighting, I found that you can actually have a lot of fun with this keyboard before you are even gaming, just because there's so many options. And then there's also custom options as well to build your own lighting setup. And then I found that when you're playing some games, sometimes it'll auto adjust to that game, and then some interactions in game are going to light up your keyboard, which is a feature I didn't even know existed and totally blew my mind when I found it for the first time. But overall, the lighting is very bright. Of course, you can adjust the brightness, but it's just a little brighter and richer than I was expecting for a keyboard at this price point, which, to be clear, is really impressive and I'm really happy with. And you can see here the color spectrum is really good. We have a clear definition between all the LEDs. They don't bleed together. And I also want to talk about the wrist rest. So this is actually attached to the keyboard magnetically, which is really cool, and it makes for a really clean look whether you have it on or off. And it's very, very soft. The logo is embossed, and it's really nice to put your wrist on. It's so soft that I'm a little bit worried about how it's going to end up long term, but for now, I really like it. The cable is braided, which is pretty sweet. It's another one of those small details that just add a quality feel to a product. And then if you flip this over, there's these stands that every keyboard should have, and then there's channels in here so you can route your cable so it exits through the back, left, or right, which is an amazing feature that I can't believe all keyboards don't have. We have little rubber tabs or little rubber feet on the corners, which work well. I highly recommend this keyboard.